Sold your base in an empty box, and you bought it with a smile. No, I won't shut my eyes. No, I won't pretend it's a ride. No, if this world goes down in flames, I'll go down standing. Fake lights shine brighter than the sun. Lies sold like dreams by the ton. People dragging their pride through the dirt, but also paying the ones who hurt. The news spits out twisted fiction. Plastic preachers preach contradiction. Influencers with hollow eyes, playing gods behind their lies. It's all noise, noise dressed up as truth. It's all a game, and you just another fool. There's noise in the city, a silent scream that one dares to hear. The ruins swing so clear, showing truths you hide in fear. Fire on the altar of hollow idols built to falter. So let's please dance online. All his faces pretending they're fine. The system hunts to just a joke. Teach this you hate, that sells you hope. Politicians with forks of grin, signing deals on napkins stained with sin. And you pay just to breathe, with a paycheck made of grief. No, I won't shut my eyes. No, I won't pretend it's alright. No, if this world goes down in flames, I'll go down standing. There's noise in the city, and I'm part of the chaos that's coming. I won't fear the burn, while they beg to save what should not return. There's fire on the altar, and no gods are getting out alive. That's how the world screams, but no one's listening. There's noise in the city, and I'm part of the chaos that's coming. I won't fear the burn, while they beg to save what should not return. There's